Well, hello there, and good evening, YouTube. I'm William Brantley, reporting live from Bemis, Tennessee. Today's climate summary, and give you a forecast for the next few days momentarily. Go ahead and start with the climate data like I usually do. As of 5 p.m. here in Bemis, the skies were clear. They still are as of about 8:30 p.m. The temperature was 38 degrees at 5 p.m. It has dropped down to 27 degrees by 8:30 p.m. Boy, that's 11 degree drop in about 3.5 hours. Pretty good sized drop there, my friends. The dew point was 23 degrees at 5 p.m. Humidity was at 55%. We had north winds at 7 miles per hour, and the barometric pressure was 30.33 inches of mercury. Today's low temperature is the current reading of 27 degrees. There's the low for today. Hold on. Yeah, I'm doing it. YouTube right now.
You're doing it right now?
Yeah, just started with it. I got Facebook done, okay.
Go ahead, finish.
Where's my keys? I just did that. Okay.
How do you turn this off?
Let me continue on. Let me put it back on me briefly, since I was reading them to you. Let's see. The high today, today's high, I believe I gave 27 for the low this morning, which is where it's at right now. 45 degrees was today's high. Earlier in the day, around 4 p.m. I believe. Had no rain, of course, since midnight. And the highest wind gust today was 18 miles per hour out of the north at 3:31 a.m. Today's records for January the 10th, and the hottest high would be 73 in 1949. Coldest high would be 9 degrees in 1962. Boy, that's chilly for a high of only 9 degrees. Warmest low would be 53 degrees in 1963, while the coldest low would be -3, 3 below zero, in 1982. Today's rainfall record, we had quite a bit actually, almost 3.5 inches of rain, 3.45 inches in 1971. Snowfall record for today, 4 inches. Yeah, we had 4 inches of snow today, back on January the 10th of 1997. Alrighty, that's it for the basic climate data. I thought I'd also say a quick shout out or hello to my sister, Deborah Brantley, here in Jackson, Tennessee. Today's her birthday, just in case she watches the video here on YouTube. Anytime tonight, you'll hear me saying that to her. Happy birthday, Debbie. Alright, let me move on to the radar. It's empty. I like using that term quite often. Empty, no echoes on it. Not here in West Tennessee, at least. There are some to our west, well to our west, over here in eastern Oklahoma, rather. Oh, I know what I need to do. Forgot I can do that here. Here we go. Eastern Oklahoma here. Let me branch it out just a touch further. There we go. Get some more of the country in there. That's probably our rainfall by tomorrow night, probably. That's when it's supposed to be here sometime tomorrow night. In the meantime, tonight and tomorrow during the daylight hours, it's going to be okay. A little touch of snow up here in West Virginia and parts of the New England states. They're getting some lake effect snow up in that area. But not here, though. Let me see if I can show pictures of that here real quick. A little bit of snow in Pennsylvania, New York, over here in Minnesota, Michigan, and on up into Canada. That's the only areas that I know of that may be snowing this evening. Earlier, let me see if I can find it real quick. It's trying to snow in the northern edges of New Mexico, where it's raining out there. But not here. That's going to go to our north. But again, clear in our area here, precipitation-wise. All right, let's look at the satellite picture. That's pretty much clear also. There are a few clouds out to our west building up. That's our clouds for tomorrow night, or really by tomorrow afternoon. Should be fair to about sunrise though. But these are the clouds moving in from the west. And those are clouds up northeast where all that snow is taking place. And otherwise it's clear in Tennessee and a good portion of the southeast actually. Alright, that's satellite picture. Let's take a look at the national forecast maps real quick like. Oops, I think I hit the wrong one. I sure did. Let me go back to, no, that's the right one. That's this afternoon's forecast issued around 2:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. You see what the map looks like, where the precipitation is expected to be, or is occurring, as of mid-afternoon. And maybe occurring later on. Good here in Tennessee and most of the Mid-South and most of the Southeast for that matter, period. Alright, I might change up a little bit tomorrow morning's forecast map. The Weather Service has a chance for freezing rain and sleet and snow just to the north of us. Kind of along the Mississippi River and Kentucky border and north and west of that area. But I think it's going to go around most of West Tennessee. Maybe the northern edges might get a little bit of a mixture tomorrow. Probably more likely tomorrow night or Sunday morning. But it's going to be light even up there though. Most of it is going to be, like I said, to our north. It'll be mainly a cold rain from Jackson southward, especially along I-40 southward, of course. That's again for tomorrow morning's forecast map. Let me show what it looks like the rest of the country real quick before I forget. Rest of the country looks pretty good shape. All of us go right there in Missouri and Illinois. Seem to be the greatest threat right there. And a little bit of West Tennessee, a touch. Saturday morning's forecast map has that stuff, precipitation I should say, moving off to our east, going around us, not at us. Most of the freezing rain is going to be off to the east and snow up to the north. Anywhere from Illinois over to Pennsylvania for the most part. And that's pretty much it for that frozen precipitation. Frozen, if I can get the word out. And area rain down well south of us near the Gulf Coast. Alright, that's again Saturday morning's forecast map. Alright, let me go ahead and go to the readout forecast. And I'm going to go ahead and go back to it tonight. There's a little discrepancy yesterday, and I don't want to read all that again. Like I did. The moon will be setting tonight, by the way, at 9:13 or 9:19 p.m., which is a little over 30 minutes from now. And here's tomorrow's forecast from my printout forecast page. Fair skies to about sunrise, then mostly cloudy with a 60% chance of rain by tomorrow night. So the rain should hold off till tomorrow night. Mostly cloudy during the afternoon hours, fair during the morning hours. Low tomorrow morning near 25 degrees and high tomorrow about 44. The east winds at 10 to 20. Sun rises at 7:05 and sets at 5:01. Moon rises at, we're getting sunset after 5 o'clock now. How about that? Starting tomorrow. Moon rises tomorrow morning at 10:30 a.m. Sets tomorrow night at 10:40 p.m. Alright, look at Saturday's forecast. Mostly cloudy skies continue with a 90% chance of rain till sunset, till Saturday night. Then it drops down to 80% chance. So pretty much going to rain all day Saturday and Saturday night. Still be on scattered basis though. Low near 36, high of 46 with southeast winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. There you see the other times there for the sun and moon. And on Sunday, mostly cloudy, probably no precipitation that day with low near 40, high of 44 with northwest winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Okay, on Monday, mostly cloudy skies continue till Monday night, then fair skies Low near 33, high of 41 with north winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. And the first quarter moon phase will be complete on Monday the 14th. Alright, down to Tuesday. Fair skies, low near 28 degrees, high of 49 degrees with west winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. There you see the other times for the sun and moon, rise and set times. On Wednesday, mostly cloudy, low of 35, high of 54 with southwest winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. And on Thursday, looks like it's going to be next week, looks like it's mostly cloudy till noon, then fair. Low near 39, high of 50 with west winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Alright, then next Friday is a 50% chance of rain, mostly cloudy skies. Low of 42, high of 58 with south winds at 10 to 20. And then finally, by next Saturday, I think, next Saturday, June, I wish it was July, June the 19th, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of rain that day. Low near 45, high of 52 with north winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Alrighty, that pretty much concludes it for tonight. Once again, fair skies for tonight till around sunrise tomorrow. They're mostly cloudy with a 60% chance of rain by tomorrow night. Low near 25, high of 44 with east winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. And the temperature has dropped down to 26 degrees here at the moment as of 8:39 p.m. And that is the low for the day so far. Whatever the midnight reading turns out to be, that will be the 24-hour low. But at the moment, that would be 26 degrees. Alright, well, I guess that's it for the evening. I hope you have a very pleasant Thursday night, and I hope you have a fantastic Friday coming up. Thanks again for watching and viewing and subscribing, and I guess we'll talk to you hopefully again tomorrow night. Until then, good night and God bless.